My name is Alan Lopez, and I'm in the construction program. I had told my PO I was on probation before I got into this program. And my friend, he got enrolled by his probation officer in this program. So I had told my probation officer if there was any way if I could get enrolled. I feel like it's showing me skills, it's giving me knowledge on what to do, especially after high school. I feel like when you get into trades and stuff, you don't really know how to start, get into a union and stuff like that. And like this program will like help you get at least like that base knowledge that you need to get in your like up and running and get your feet moving. I feel that this program has showed me more about myself in the way of like things that I like to do, my capacities, my limits. I feel like it also shows me I learn new things, measurements, how cement works, how certain materials work, and I feel like it's just good to have that certain common knowledge in life.